How is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I've got here with me one of the coolest looking phones from Nothing, the all new Nothing Phone 4a Pro. I mean, just look at the back of this phone. Instead of their signature transparent design, they've gone all in for an industrial all metal unibody design, which definitely looks a lot cleaner. And what makes this whole design unique is this super big camera plateau, which may look inspired by the iPhone 17 Pro, but trust me, it does look a lot cooler with Nothing's bold and transparent elements. There is a red LED that blinks when recording videos, and then we got symmetrical cameras, two in a pill, one in a circle. And there is also this huge Glyph Matrix, which is twice as large compared to the Nothing Phone 3. And this isn't here only for the aesthetics, but it can do a lot of amazing stuff. Although it doesn't have a capacitive button to control it, you can still activate by going into your phone settings, then to Glyph interface. Here make sure it is turned on, and you can also adjust the brightness level too. Not just that, you also get some cool animations and effects for different ringtones and notification sound. Then there is this essential notifications, which you can totally customize and add different rules, like when somebody send a message from a specific app mentioning a particular keyword, it will show a unique icon that you have assigned directly on the Glyph Matrix without having to pick up your phone. You can also use it as a volume indicator. Then we have something called flip to Glyph that will put your phone in mute when you flip it. Next we have got always on Glyph toys, and since it doesn't have a capacitive button, you can only assign it for a single function. You can either set it to always show the time or battery percentage, or even there is something called call status that basically shows the call status on the Glyph Matrix during phone calls, and this particular feature won't be available on your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro. So in order to get this, you need to visit Nothing's official playground website, and here you can find a lot of really cool looking and useful widgets and toys created by the community members. And all you need to do is you can simply download the ones that you really like. For example, we have got this currency converter widget that instantly helps you in conversion directly from your home screen. You just need to make sure that you have signed in, and then you can start downloading all these exclusive widgets and other useful stuff. Once done, now you just need to long press on the home screen, go to widgets, now swipe left to access all the essential widgets that you downloaded and simply apply the one that you want to. Here you can see how seamlessly the currency widget work on the home screen. Like this, you can add some unique and interactive widgets by downloading them directly from the Nothing's playground website, and I will drop a direct link for that in the description below. Similarly, you can also download some useful Glyph toys like this one, which is called Call Status. It is totally free to download, so just go ahead and install it on your device. Then just head over to the phone settings, then to Glyph interface. Here you can swipe down and go inside the flip to Glyph, then click on always on Glyph toy. You will now see this all new call status Glyph tool. Just make sure to select this particular option. That's it. Now whenever you are in call, it will show as busy in the Glyph Matrix, and it looks really cool. Other than that, you can also enable the caller ID, so when somebody calls you, you can simply wiggle your phone facing down to see who is calling. Similarly, you can also have a glance at the charging status too. Then we also have the Glyph Progress that helps you track your Uber or food delivery status. Lastly, you also get the Glyph Timer as well. So there are so many things you can do with this Glyph Matrix and make the most out of your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro. By the way guys, I also like how thin and symmetrical the bezels look on the front. I mean, it's a beautiful 6.83 inch 1.5K resolution 144Hz display with a peak brightness that can go all the way up to 5000 nits, and it is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor combined with the goodness of NothingOS 4.1. This phone feels buttery smooth all the time, and I haven't noticed any kind of lag or stutter while using this smartphone. Talking about the software experience, since it's a Nothing device that runs one of the cleanest Android skins, the NothingOS 4.1, not just that it provides the smoothest and fluid experience, but it also comes with some really good features and customizations that I would love to share with you right now. All these settings that I'm about to show you will help you get the best out of your Nothing phone. We'll start with the lock screen customizations. All you need to do is simply long press, unlock your phone and go directly to the customization screen. Here with the NothingOS 4.1, they have added a couple of more cool looking clock styles, and now you also get the option to adjust the clock size along with the position as well. There is an option to add depth effect which can only be enabled when you apply depth wallpapers on your phone. And guys, you can download our very own Screencraft application from where you can get some gorgeous looking wallpapers for your phone, including the depth ones too. So definitely check it out, link is in the description below. Next, you can also add some of the useful widgets that you want to quickly access from the lock screen. So these are some of the customizations you get related to the lock screen. Now, although we do get very limited AI features on Nothing devices, if you go into settings, here we get this all new intelligence toolkit section where you can access all the AI features, and the most popular one is this essential space. As you can see on the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, the essential key is located on the left side, and what it does is it recognizes what's on your phone screen and even allows you to record a voice memo or quickly note down something important as a context related to the screenshot. Once done, it gets saved directly into the essential space, which you can access by going into the app drawer. Here you will have all the screenshots along with the context or any important details related to it, and these are all analyzed with the help of AI. You can also add an essential space widget on your home screen that will show all the upcoming events or important details you have saved inside the essential app. The next AI feature is something called Wallpapers Studio, and this basically allows you to generate your own wallpapers with the help of AI. Then we have Essential News, which is basically a curated audio summary of all the news across the globe, and you can play back whenever you want to with just a simple tap. Finally, we get the Chat GPT widget that offers a seamless way to access Chat GPT directly from your home screen. There is also this all new set of breathing exercises widget that lets you relax and help you sleep better. Like this, you get a lot of interesting and interactive widgets on NothingOS 4.1, and you can add even more by going into the Playground website as I mentioned earlier. Talking more about the home screen features, here at the bottom we get Google search by default, but if you simply long press, go to customization and then select layout, just click on the search bar and change it to essential search. Once you apply this to your home screen, now you'll have kind of a universal search bar that lets you quickly access everything right from your home screen, including apps, contacts, messages, settings, files, documents, and even you can search within multiple apps at once. So this essential search bar is way more productive compared to the Google search. Guys, you can also customize the app drawer by simply long pressing on it, and there are options to change it into grid, circle, or you can also choose different cover arts for your folder. Talking about the app icons, when you long press and go into customizations, select icons. Here you can choose between the Nothing style and default stock icons, but I will also recommend you to download some third-party Nothing inspired icon pack from the Play Store, like this one called Nothing Adaptive, and then apply this pack directly from the icon setting. I think this looks way better with the black and red accent compared to the default Nothing icons. I'll make sure to drop a direct link for this app as well. If you swipe up, you get the app drawer, and this is the classic Android style which you get on most Android phones, but Nothing has introduced a new style that you can enable by simply tapping on this 3-dot button. Here just select the Smart App Drawer style. Now it completely transforms the app drawer. As you can see, I've got all the apps neatly organized in different folders, and I think it can be a lot easier to navigate, especially when you have loads of applications installed on your phone. Next, if you talk about the quick settings, you get 2 pages here, and in order to customize the control center, you simply need to tap on this pencil icon. Now you can remove any of these toggles by clicking on this minus sign, and if you want to add some more extra tiles, just drag and drop like this. But what's more interesting here is you can also change the shape and expand the size of these toggles as per your need. I also like the volume slider, by using which you can easily change the ringer mode from silent, vibration and ringing. Finally, let me show you some useful gestures we get on this phone. When you are in the recent apps menu, instead of swiping all the way looking for the clear all button, you can simply long press on any application and then swipe up to clear all apps at once. No more scrolling all the way to the left to reach for the clear all button. Next, you can also enable the 3-finger screenshot gesture by going into the special features, then select screenshot gesture, simply enable 3 swipe. Now whenever you take a screenshot, swipe down with 3 fingers like this. Then go to the pop-up menu and turn on the expand notification toggle. Now you can swipe down on any incoming notification to open that directly in a pop-up window. And guys, you can also open multiple apps in a pop-up view and switch between them easily like this. That's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the useful features, tips and tricks for your Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.